Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Programming World. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous lecture I have discussed special symbols, but now from this lecture I am going to start operators in C. We will be discuss every operators and every types of operator in detail with proper example. So in this video I am going to start with basic like what is operator and how to classify operators. So let's get started. So now first of all, let us discuss what are operators. Here we can see the definition of operator. An operator is a symbol that tells the computer or compiler to perform certain mathematical and logical manipulation. And in other words or in other definition you can say operators are used in program to manipulate data and variables. For example, plus, minus, divide, into, logical and logical are, bitwise and bitwise are, left shift, right shift and like etc. Clear? It means that see operators, it's you can say just a symbol, clear, which tells the compiler or which tells the computer which operations has to be performed on the data, or you can say in other words just a symbol which tells the compiler or computer to mathematical or computer to mathematical or can say logical manipulation is to be done. Clear? And like many operators are there, plus, minus, divide, into and etc. Clear? So let us take this example for better understanding. This is what an operator. Clear? This is an operator and it is a symbol. So it is going to tell the compiler that to perform plus operations or to perform minus operations. Like that, if we will give the value 1 and 2, then we have to find output is 3. Clear? For perform to plus operator, and we will find minus 1 if we perform minus operator. Clear? Here this data is what? This is operands, and this is what? This is operator. Clear? So both variables are operands and the symbol, the sign is operator. Clear? Now let us discuss about classification of operators or how to classify operators. Right? Operators can be classified, into two categories, like based on operands and based on operations. So first of all we will discuss based on operands classification. Clear? Here we can say there are three categories of based on operations into operators. Clear? First one is unary operator, second one is binary operator, and the third one is ternary operators. Unary means there are only one operands is be there. Clear? And binary means two operands. Clear? And ternary means three operands. Right? Means it has one operand, it is also called unary operator, and having two operands it is also called binary operator, and having three operands it is also called ternary operator. Clear? Now let us discuss about classification of unary operator. Here we can see the first one, increment and decrement. In the C programming, this sign will be used to increase the value. Clear? And this sign will be used to decrease the value. Means if we write 11 plus plus, clear, 11 any kind of variable in our C programming, then we find our output is 12. Clear? Means it is post fixed value. Clear? And if we write 11 minus minus, then we will find 10. Clear? So this is for increase the value and this is for decrease the value. Now let us see about what is size of operator. In size of, suppose you are giving to data type of value int. Clear? Size of int. Then we have to find the value or size of int is 2 byte. Clear? Like size of float, it will give you 4 byte. Clear? Now let us discuss about classification of binary operators. So here the first one is arithmetical. In arithmetical operator we included plus, minus, divide, into and module. Right? And the second one is rational. relational operator. Clear? In relational operator, we included less than, greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. Clear? And logical operator, in logical operator, we included logical and logical or. Right? Next, bitwise operator. In bitwise, we included bitwise and, bitwise or, left shift, right shift, caret, or bitwise XOR and bitwise NOT. Clear? And the next one is equality. We included equal to and not equal to sign in the equality operator. Clear? And the sixth one is comma. We included comma in binary operator, in included comma operator. Clear? And the next one is assignment operator, is from equal to sign. Clear? And here in equality operator, equality or not equality, we can include it into relational operator. Clear? If we have not find or better understanding. Clear? Or satisfied the equality operator. Right? Now let us discuss about what is ternary operator. So as well as we know about ternary operators, it requires 3 operands. Clear? And it is also known as conditional operator. Right? So here in ternary operator, we are using this question mark and colon. Now ternary operator is what? So now how the syntax of ternary operator is what? Here we are writing some expression. Expression means you can say the sequence of operator and operands, means operands and operators. Clear? That after processing give a single result. Clear? So here after the processing of expression 1, if expression 1 is true, then first would be what? First expression should be a condition here. Clear? This is a first condition, and if the first condition is true, then this one. Clear? Then expression 2 will be evaluated and give him the result. Clear? Whatever result you want to do. Clear? That would be output. Right? And if expression 1 is false, then we also reached on expression 3. Clear? Means when the expression 1 is true, control will go the expression 2nd, and if the condition 1 is false, then control will go expression 3rd. Right? Clear? So I hope these operators and classification of operators are clear. Now let us discuss about the second part of operators, means based on operations, classification of operators. So here we can see these are totally binary operators, which we have already discussed about in binary operators, right? And this classification in based on operations, the special symbols, extra operators are included. So as well as you know guys, in previous video I have already discussed about special symbols, so you can check out this video and clear our all doubts, right? So in based on operations, there are also be 7 types of operators. So that's it about types of operator based on operands and also based on operations, right? I hope you got all these operators and for better understand. So I hope guys operators and classification of operators will be clear. So in the next video we will discuss about variables and data types. So see you the next video. Thank you for watching my video.